Hey everyone, I'm Mark. Welcome to Mark's Adventures in Vegas. So, this channel is going to be about a little bit of everything, entertainment wise. So, cooking, barbecuing, finding the steakhouses in Vegas that even most of the locals don't know that have lived here for even 10 years. I've lived here for 22 years, worked on the strip for 22 years, and I just thought I'd create this channel to provide some entertainment. I have acrobatics, flying with one of the greatest F-14 jocks to ever do it. That's coming up. I have some B-17. I took a flight in two B-17s that are in the channel. Please check those out. Some cooking that I already posted, barbecue that I already posted, some ribeye and shrimp, Gump style. And so there's going to be a lot more coming up. We're going to smoke prime rib. We're going to, like I said, go to those steakhouses. We're going to find value for visitors and locals in Vegas. Breakfast, diners, again, steakhouses. And the big party coming up on July 3rd and 4th down on Fremont Street. If I get enough subscribers, please subscribe and like the videos. I can go live. So I can live stream. I'm going to hang out at the Nugget. Go out to the pool, live stream out there, live stream out on Fremont on the 3rd and 4th, and then a special steakhouse that I think is one of the best in town, and the value is there too. It's not, it's on Fremont Street, and you'll see it. So I hope you tune in, and there's going to be a lot more to come, a lot more today, tomorrow. So please, again, like, subscribe, and check out these videos, and we'll see you back here real soon. Thanks, guys. Hey, have a great day.